I have the utmost privilege to present to you the all-new EQS, the very first large-size BEV luxury sedan in the market. It is our first model built on an all-electric architecture for large luxury sedans, with an overall vehicle length of more than 5.2 meters, a wheelbase of more than 3.2 meters, and an astonishing legroom on the rear seat of almost 1 meter. The EQS clearly sets a new benchmark in this segment. With its purpose-driven one-bow design, the EQS breaks with many conventions and sets itself apart from the crowd, even at the very first sight. Its generously sculpted surfaces, reduced joints, and seamless transitions are all articulating how we at Mercedes EQ are defining progressive luxury. Such revolutionary design does not only please the eye with aesthetic beauty, but also strikes the mind with an impressive drag coefficient starting at 0.2, making the EQS the most aerodynamic production car in the world today. This is how we combine progressive design with sustainable mobility. The EQS invites its passengers with 4 automatic doors, underlying its unique and luxurious positioning. The integration of blind spot assist provides additional safety when using the automatic doors. The revolutionary digital headlights, equipped with 3 extremely powerful LEDs and 1.3 million micro mirrors, direct the light where it's mostly needed and turn driving at night into a day ride. Thanks to the new generation of batteries with a significantly higher energy capacity of 107.8 kilowatt hours, the EQS offers an overall E-range of up to 800 kilometers according to CLTC standard, which clearly sets a new benchmark for an electric vehicle of this size. The forward-looking battery technology also enables an optimum level of performance with an output of 385 kilowatt. Our new electric flagship will not only meet but also exceed the expectations of our biggest enthusiasts of dynamic driving. And for our fans of even higher performance, we will later on offer an AMG version of the EQS with an output of 470 kilowatt. The dynamic driving capabilities and the overall maneuverability of the EQS, for example in narrow parking areas, will be further enhanced by the standard rear axle steering, which allows a turning circle of less than 11 meters, which is comparable to compact cars and unique for cars of this size. The interior of the all-new EQS is equally revolutionary, with its holistic fusion of latest technologies, selected materials, and refined craftsmanship, all that combined with a unique and luxury design. The interior addresses and delights all senses. An absolute highlight of the interior is the all-new MBUX Hyperscreen. With an overall width of 1.4 meters, it is the biggest screen ever built into an automobile. It integrates 3 screens into one seamless and immersive experience. Using AI and adaptive software, the MBUX adapts completely to its users and makes personalized suggestions for numerous infotainment, comfort, and vehicle functions. The zero-layer philosophy provides the passengers with all important functions on the very top level of the screen, according to their individual habits and respective context and situation. To put all that into one simple sentence, The all-new MBUX Hyperscreen is visually impressive, radically easy to operate, and extremely eager to learn. In addition to the advanced energizing comfort programs, the EQS offers new energizing nature programs, which provide an immersive and impressively realistic onboard sound experience. Combined with various images and lighting effects, the car touches all your senses and responds to your individual moods. With the all-new HEPA filter combined with a pre-filter, we also set a new benchmark in terms of air purification in the car. The EQS is able to filter over 99.65% of particles of all sizes. Using the pre-entry climate control, our customers can also clean the interior air before even getting into the car.